Okay, for this effect you need 12 random cards, and you can have the spectator choose those cards, actually, if you would like. That would be a good way to go. Okay, so I'll just deal out 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, spectators free to mix these as much as they would like. Once they're satisfied that the cards are mixed, you just need to go ahead and just pick them up. Just kind of watch what I'm doing. Square them up. Catch a glimpse of the bottom card. There's a few ways of doing that. I saw it right there. Sometimes people will just tap the packet on the table as if they're squaring it up, and you can kind of note the identity of the bottom card. Now, you don't look at it directly, right? You just kind of look over it, and out the side of your eye you can see that this is the 5 of clubs. Okay, so you just surreptitiously note the bottom card. Now, because I don't have a spectator here, what we're going to do so that you can see that this effect actually works is I'm going to replace this card with one over here on which I've clearly marked this is our glimpsed bottom card. Okay, but in reality this would just be some random card that is dealt. Okay, and then after you've noted the bottom card, what you do is you just show the spectator the top card. Okay, but you don't look at it. Well, for us to see whether this worked, we're going to have to know what it is. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm just going to replace that with this one here so that we'll know whether or not we succeeded at the very end. I just have spectator's card, okay, written on it. Okay, and then from here, so, you know, realize that there are cards right here. It's kind of in an obvious place. Okay, so we're just going to lose that card. We're really going to just bury that card somewhere within the packet of 12. Okay, no idea where. What a mess. And then what we're going to do is we're going to deal out the cards into 4 piles, like so, and ask the spectator to decide, okay, should we stack from left to right or right to left? It really is a free choice. Maybe they'll say, okay, well, go ahead and stack from left to right. And they could even do that as long as they don't like drop the cards everywhere like I am right now. Okay, and then you can deal them out again. Now you need to know that you can do as many of these dealings as you like. So maybe they want right to left this time. That's just fine. Okay, and why don't we do maybe one more? But in reality you can do as many as you like. You want stacked right to left again? Okay, that's just fine. We'll do that. Now you need to be thinking about the movement of the cards. I mean, you saw the top card, and then I buried it, and now we've been doing all of these dealings into 4 piles in which the spectator is freely deciding how to stack those. Well, all of those decisions very much determine like the order of these cards, where the cards are. So what we're going to do to finish is we're just going to use something called the Klondike Shuffle. Now at the end of the video I will go ahead and kind of teach you all of these shuffles. So hang on for that if you're not familiar with these shuffles. Okay, so I'm just taking top and bottom off as 1. Okay, now something important has happened, and it will always happen. If you notice here, the glimpse bottom card is paired with the spectator's noted card at the beginning. That will always happen, no matter how they decide to stack those 4 piles from left to right or from right to left, and no matter how many times we do that. This will always happen, and the underlying mathematics guarantees that to be the case. And now once you've done this, the spectator, okay, number one, the spectator, they'll see their card, okay? Won't have markings on it, obviously. They don't know that you've noted the identity of this card, and they have no idea that your noted glimpse card is paired with theirs. No clue. Okay, so there's a lot of ways to kind of pretend that you're getting a sense as to, you know, I don't think it's in that one. I don't think it's either one of these, actually. I don't think it's in, no, that one could be. Oh, no, yeah, this one. This one for sure is not the one we want. See, between these two, Let's see, 50% chance here of getting the pairs right. I think it might be in there, so I'll go with that. I could be wrong here. Okay, which of these two? Let's see. I'm feeling something a little different over here, something special over here. So I think I'll go ahead and discard this one. Okay, I'm going out on a limb here. I don't have much of a chance of being right here, but is that the card that you noted at the beginning? Okay, and if they're honest, they'll say yes, it is, and if they lie, guess what? They have lied. Because that their card is paired with your bottom glimpse card. That will always happen. Okay, so you could kind of make fun and go, well, you claim it isn't, but I think it is. And then you could maybe read their facial expression, and most people will kind of crack a smile and let out, yeah, you're right, that is my card. I was telling a fib there, that kind of thing. So however you want to finish the reveal using your personality and creativity would be just great. But I've shown you all of the mechanics that will make this work. So let's go ahead and just show you the shuffles.